What is affixes? An additional element placed at the beginning or end of a root, stem, or word, or in the body of a word to modify its meaning. Prefix. Letter or syllable added before a word to change its meaning and create another word, like unhappy, impolite, malfunction, invisible, disappear. Examples: before, prepare; post, after, postgraduate; super, above, supernatural. Letter or syllable added after a word to change its meaning and create another word. Examples: ish, like, childish; meant, state of being, apartment; full of, wonderful. Root, the simplest form of a word. Examples: ped, feet, pedicure; manus, hands, manicure; auto, self, automatic; act, to do, actor.